here I have a balloon. If I press it, it actually holds a lot of weight.
Welcome to Gauri's Science Experiments.
Some people think balloons have no strength, but actually, with a lot of air, balloons have a lot of strength. Let's take a look. Here I have 4 balloons and I tied them all together. I have a simple board here. I'm going to put it on top of these 4 balloons, and then let's have an experiment to see how strong these balloons are. My sister is going to join me and we're going to both stand on the board. Hi guys, I'm 40 pounds and my sister is 45 pounds. And all these balloons can actually almost hold 90 pounds. Now we're adding someone else here.
See, our weight is distributed over 4 balloons. The balloons don't pop because the pressure is spread over a large area. So each balloon is holding part of the weight. The trick is to make sure the balloons are not fully inflated.
So 4 balloons have a lot of strength because of the air inside them, and it can hold a lot of weight.